Hello students, I am Dr. Vijay Kumar Kulkarni, HOD Computer Science. In this video, I am going to explain about the flowchart. What is flowchart? What are the symbols used in flowchart and how to draw a flowchart for a particular problem. Flowchart, as we know, the second stage of programming. The first stage is algorithm and the second stage is flowchart, and this flowchart is defined as it is a diagrammatic or graphical representation of an algorithm. It is also called as blueprint of an algorithm because flowchart we are drawing on the basis of algorithm. Whatever the steps we have written in the algorithm, for the each steps we are drawing the flowchart. The flowchart is an easy way to understand and analyze the problem. It is a useful aid for programmers and system analysis. It is a machine independent. It can be used for any type of problem. Different geometrical figures used in program flowchart with their functions. While drawing flowchart, operations must be written inside the geometric figures. Now let us know what are the geometric figures used in drawing the flowchart. Basically there are 7 symbols are there which we are using for drawing the flowcharts. The first one is oval shape. The name is oval, and this is used or its function is start and stop. The oval shape is used for represent start and stop operation. Next symbol, parallelogram. Its function is input and output or read and write. The parallelogram is used to represent the function read and write or input and output. Then the next one is rectangle symbol. Its function is processing, that is the calculations purpose. The next symbol in the flowchart is rhombus. Its shape is diamond shape. Its name is rhombus. It is used to make a decision, or its function is decision making. Usually the conditions, to represent the conditions we are using this symbol, and the symbol is having two ways. One is true, another one is false, because the conditions may result either true or false. Therefore the rhombus is having two ways. One is true, another one is false. Next is arrows. The arrows are used to connect each flowchart symbols, and also it shows the flow of directions from where to where the flow is going. Next one is circle. Circle is used for representing the continuations. Suppose while drawing the flowchart, if it is not completed in a single page, then we have to draw the remaining flowcharts, remaining part of the flowchart in the next page to show the new page. Flowchart is the continuation of the previous page. We are using the circle symbol. Next one is hexagon. Hexagon is used to show repetition or looping. So these are the flowchart symbols with the geometrical figures, their name and functions. Let us have an example. Draw flowchart for area of rectangle. So why I have choose this example means, in the previous video, that is in the algorithm video, I have written the algorithm for area of rectangle. Therefore, I will choose the problem for writing the flowchart for area of rectangle. You might have recall that the steps of algorithm of rectangle is their name of the algorithm we have written as area of rectangle. Here also flowchart for area of rectangle. Then the first step of the algorithm is start. So here also I have drawn the oval shape because its function is start and stop. The second step of the algorithm is read, LBAR, and here the read purpose, the symbol is parallelogram. That's why I have drawn the parallelogram, and the operations which the symbol is performs is read, L, B, and here I have written inside the figure. Next, third step of the algorithm is calculate AR is equal to L into B. Calculation or the processing purpose, the rectangle symbol is used. Therefore, I have drawn the rectangle, and inside that I have written AR is equal to L into B. Then next one is in the algorithm, next step is write AR. So for write also parallelogram symbol is used. Therefore, I have drawn the parallelogram, and inside it I have written write AR. The last step of the algorithm is stop, and for stop the oval symbol is used. Therefore, here I have used oval symbol to represent stop, and I have written stop inside it. Now I have connected all these symbols with the arrows, and these arrows not only connect the symbols of the flowchart, it also shows how the flow of direction. The flow of direction starts with the start, then read, then calculate, then write, then stop. So this is how the flowchart and its explanations and its symbols and how to draw the flowchart. That's all. Thank you.